And we begin with some breaking inputs coming in as we speak. Team Rhea is being grilled. It also includes Rhea's parents. Over 5 hours of questioning already. Remember, for the last 4 days, Rhea Chakrabarti was summoned and quizzed by the CBI. Today, Rhea's parents are at the DRDO office where the CBI team is stationed in Mumbai, and they are being questioned. The focus is on the drugs and the financial transactions angle. Sources have told your channel that Shruti Modi has claimed that Rhea used to handle Sushant's money. The other important development is the interrogation of Gaurav Arya. Let me open this up. Tamal Saha, Arunil Saradater, Kajal Ayyar, Mumbai Bureau Chief. Arunil, let me begin with you. 5.5 hours of grilling already.
Well, Pranash, this is extremely significant considering since the last 5 days, Rhea Chakrabarti was extensively interrogated by the CBI. Now it is turn of her parents. Basically, Indrajit Chakrabarti, if you look at it, when Times Now spoke to Anandi as well, one of the insiders who was staying at Sushant's house, she was very much part of the party circuit as well that was happening at Sushant's house. She had readily accepted, saying that Rhea was giving heavy doses of medicines in consultation with her father to Sushant Singh Rajput, which basically affected the mental health of Sushant Singh Rajput as well. So questions on those lines are expected to be asked to Indrajit Chakrabarti, and also questions on the financial manipulation angle as well, financial exploitation angle as well, because the two companies that Sushant Singh Rajput has started, in those two companies there were two Chakrabartis in it, Rhea Chakrabarti and brother Shobik Chakrabarti, and in one of the addresses of the company in Rabare in Navi Mumbai, it was in the name of Indrajit Chakrabarti. So whether a financial exploitation of Sushant Singh Rajput was done by Rhea Chakrabarti in connivance with her father, brother and the other so-called side actors in Rhea Chakrabarti's scheme of things, these are some questions that the CBI is expected to ask to Indrajit Chakrabarti. With respect to the other people are concerned, basically the ED also questioning Gaurav Arya.
Tamal, I want to bring you in. We are being told that Gaurav Arya, whose name features in the drug disclosure brought out by Times Now, he has been questioned again and again on his association with Rhea Chakrabarti and all the others whose names are there, but so far he has been evasive.
Well, Pranesh, yes, it's quite interesting a development. On one hand, you have Gaurav Arya being questioned by Enforcement Directorate for the second time, and on the other hand, here at the CBI office outside which I'm standing, we see that Rhea Chakrabarti's family is inside. Apart from that, we also know Shruti Modi is inside, and just now Shruti Modi, Jaya Saha too is inside, and you also have Subhet Lohia. The reason why I'm mentioning all these names, because at least Subhet Lohia, Gaurav Arya, Shruti, beg your pardon, Jaya Saha, their names have cropped up in the chat history of Rhea Chakrabarti in the course of conversation, and conversation that quite mysteriously, went towards bordering the contours of drugs and contraband drugs. So thus it is very significant to understand that the central agencies, both Enforcement Directorate, CBI, while trying to investigate the matter independently, is somewhere getting overlapped, and that overlapping cusp is nothing but the drug aspect. So yes, what we are picking up from our sources, that CBI is probing the family of Rhea Chakrabarti with regards to finances, because Sushant Singh Rajput's family had been alleging there had been massive misappropriation of funds of Sushant Singh Rajput, allegedly done by Rhea Chakrabarti in connivance with her father Indrajit Chakrabarti, and apparently they had interfered into his career decision, financial decision, taken decisions on his behalf. But interesting is, as you all know, there are no free lunches. The drug consumption, which is currently under the scanner, and in which there are several names which have cropped up, their names have also cropped up in the course of transactions. So the CBI is trying to understand as whether these transactions are some way commonly connected for drugs and drugs procurement. So at this point in time, the interrogation is happening inside. Jaya Saha is inside, Shruti Modi is inside, and Pranesh, as you rightly mentioned, we have learned from our sources that Shruti Modi has kind of passed the buck on Rhea, suggesting that Rhea Chakrabarti used to take decisions on behalf of Sushant Singh Rajput, and not
stay with us. More details trickling in. We are being told, Kajal, that Rhea Chakrabarti and Gaurav Arya joint grilling is on the cards, that the duo may be confronted. Kajal.
Well, of course, that is a possibility because currently the interrogation is going on of Gaurav Arya with the ED, and they could perhaps try and, once again call her to the ED. So far, the ED hasn't called Riya Chakrabarti after the first round of investigations because the CBI has been calling her. But yes, if they do summon her at around the same time as Gaurav Arya, then we are going to see some sort of confrontation happening there, and we will have to wait and watch for the summons to be issued by the ED to see what form this confrontation takes.
All right, stay with us.